come and see. Yo, yo, you feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is Defi bully. I ain't even wasting no time. Let's just get straight to it. I'm about to tell y'all, show y'all. Today we're gonna be talking about this Zilla. It just launched today. It's similar to Spare, you know, the auto compounding, high paying protocol, high yielding protocols. Seem like they're trying to make a way back. You know what I mean? And it seems like they're doing their thing. They're getting a lot of popularity. But before I get deeper into that, make sure you guys do what I'm doing right here and go over to that Defi Bully YouTube channel. That's this one right here.
What's up?
I'm on that push. Sorry about that. I'm on that push to 1,000 subscribers, so let's make that happen. You know what I mean? Like, comment, subscribe. It's Defi. It's time sensitive. Hit that notification bell so you could catch stuff like this early. This just launched today. I'm gonna run through it and tell y'all what I did actually today. I did invest some money into it. But let's go over some of these facts right here about it. It said a yield monster has risen. Oh, like Godzilla, you can see the eye and everything. Zilla provides a decentralized financial asset which rewards users with a sustainable fixed compound interest model through the use of its unique YAP protocol. Now, this is something they say auto compounds, and it pays in rebases, similar to the DAOs. If you guys were in like Jade DAO or Olympus DAO or Nemesis DAO, you probably remember this similar type of rebase periods. With this one, is a little shorter. It's like it says it rebases every 15 minutes. It says yield auto stake. The Zilla auto stake feature is a simple, innovative term: buy, hold, earn. All you got to do is buy it and just leave it in your wallet, and it actually does that automatically. It's crazy. Simply buy and hold the YDZ token in your wallet. Watch as you earn rebase rewards via interest payments directly into your wallet. Your holdings will increase every 15 minutes. So these rebases are 15 minutes with this. I like it. Oh, I love these. Man, I grew up on Godzilla. I had like a whole bunch of the tapes, watched it in Japanese, even when I didn't even understand them. And I like Dave Chappelle's sketch when he did a Godzilla, Black Zilla. Anybody remember that? Hit that like, hit that comment, and what part of that was the funniest? All right, so Zilla auto liquidity engine. So every 48 hours they pair it with BNB for the best prices, it seems. Okay, I'm not really completely sure how that works, but if you guys know, let me know. Do your own research. I'm just doing a quick run through and why I invested. I felt like it was going to be similar to Spare. If you guys know about Spare, I thought I had it up here. Spare's been out for a few days now. Let me see if I can find that. Spare Financial. It's been out for a few days now. I believe it was on the Matic blockchain using Polygon. So they did really good. It's a similar auto compounding thing. So I just figured since this one was coming out today, it's going to have a similar pump. I wasn't in directly when it launched, but it did have a little drop. I'm going to show you guys in a minute still. If I go here, I believe I could view the chart. Here we go right here. Wow. Okay. So this is around launch right here. Launched at about $20. Went all the way up to $22, almost $23. Not that big of a pump. Came down to where I came in at. I actually saw or realized, it seemed like I fell asleep or something, realized when it was at $15 that it launched. I was like, oh snap. I was like, it's kind of low. This might be the floor. And I set an alert for $16. As soon as I seen an alert, I said, oh yeah. Threw in a quick like I believe I threw in $125. You know, these are risky. And remember, people, it's not financial advice. It's DeFi. You could lose all your money. But I'm trying not to do that. Feel me? So I bought in at around $16. If you look right here, it's at $23. So I already made a little bit of gain. Let's hop over here to the app itself so I can show you how the rebase and everything actually works. Go here to view app. Let me see that. Go here to view app. And if you look right here, it shows the price, The market cap 7 million. Whoa. Earlier, yeah, that is growing. Earlier it wasn't even at a million when I seen it, but or was it just at a million? Anyway, on the circulating supply, back liquidity, the rebase. I told you this is every 15 minutes. This comes back. So right now it's about 4 minutes left on that before rebases and adds extra rewards. Let me go down here, and if you go over to account, you can actually see how it's set up. Ah man, mine you guys is way. Well, I'll show you. It'll show the current price, the next reward amount. Right now mine is showing 0, so you guys aren't really missing anything. I'm not sure why I said next reward amount is 0. Hold on, let me move that so you guys can actually see that. Let me move my head right here. As you can see, actually says 0. Isn't that crazy? But it has been paying me out. Next reward amount. Oh, I'm tripping. Next reward amount. Next reward amount USD. Well, it says 3 cents. So I believe that's 3 cents every 15 minutes. Nah, that can't. Well, maybe. Who knows? And it's an auto compounding. So, you know, that's compounded interest, the 8th wonder of the world. So we'll continue to grow and grow and grow. Next reward yield is 0.02604%. They say in 5 days I should have a total of 13.312% on my investment. If we look over here at a calculator, 13.312 divided by it said 5 days divided by 5. So we'll have about 2.66% daily. That should work out to about $18.29 based on what I invested. It said my balance is at 130. I did tell you guys I got in at about 124, but after taxes, and that's another thing with these projects, you could take your money out. It's not like these ROI DAOs that burn your money or they lock your money where you can't draw it back. These you can draw it back, but the fees are pretty high on the buys and the sell. Okay, so I bought in at 125. I believe only like $98 showed on my balance when I first got into this, and now it's saying 137. So as you could tell, that's been like 90, 110, 20, 34. You know what I mean? Almost $50. I'm almost up $50, people. And I only been in this for a couple hours. I kind of stalled on making a video. I was just trying to watch it and see how everything goes. Seemed like a solid little thing. I'm not sure how long these last. If I was to take a guess, I'll say like a month or two. Hopefully it's longer. This is the first one I've seen of this Titino forks or whatever they call it on a Binance Smart Chain, I believe. But I'm gonna go ahead and look at these. It look like these projects are next up. They're building up steam as people are, I don't know, being disappointed by things going on like Animal Farm and stuff like that. Shout out Baked Beans, always staying solid, doing this thing. Blessings, that shit is a blessing. If you guys on Splash, that's a good one. It's been having a little pump too. You could use my buddy address down below to get started. Hop onto this. You don't need no referral link for this or anything to get started. Just buy the coin on Pancake Swap. Actually, from the site itself, you should be able to press buy YDZ token, and it should bring you right to Pancake Swap, so you could actually buy it directly from here. So yeah, not gonna keep up too much of you guys' time. Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor.
I get paid to entertain, and all of this is entertainment.